Hello children, welcome back for another session of our class 7, chapter 8, Congruency of Triangles. So, first of all, we need to understand the meaning of the word congruency. What is meant by congruency? Any two geometrical figures which are same shape and equal in the size also, then those two figures are said to be congruent to each other. Here, before we understand the word meaning congruency, we need to understand similarity also. Here, for example, if I take a triangle like this, A, B, C, okay, another triangle I am drawing like this, X, Y, Z. As you can see, both are triangles only, but ABC size and XYZ size, you see, both are not same size. Shape is same. ABC also triangle, XYZ also triangle, but both are not in the same size. One is small, one is big. Shape is same, but size is different. So these are called similar. The symbol we use, this is called similarity symbol. Here you can say this triangle and this triangle are similar, but not congruent. For example, if you see the coins, currency coins, you will be knowing that 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins, 10 rupee coins. If you see all the coins, 1 rupee coin or 2 rupee coin or the 5 rupee coin or the 10 rupee coin, all are in the circle shape only, but their size is different. All are circles only, but the size is different. That are not congruent. They are similar but not congruent. See, bicycle, the two wheels, front wheel and back wheel. If you see the wheels of the bicycle, both are circle shape. If you place one upon another, when you remove the wheels from the bicycle and you place one upon another, you can see both are of exact size and both are of circle shape. So the exact size and shape, if they both are same, that are congruent. But whereas here the 1 rupee coin and the 5 rupee coin and the 10 rupee coin and the 2 rupee coin, all are shape same, circular shape, but the size is different. That is why that are not congruent. Understood? Now, if I take one square of side 2 centimeters, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, A, B, C, D square. You all know that square means four sides are equal, right? Here, one other square also I am taking, which is also 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Now I am naming it as PQRS. Now, both are of exact size and exact shape also. Same size, both are 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. And shape also. It is also square, it is also square. So now we can say ABCD square is congruent to PQRS square. Here this is the symbol of congruency. Understand? So simple words. In simple word, if you want to understand the meaning of the congruency, you have to compare the two things. The two things, if you place one upon another, if you cannot see the down one which you kept under another, if you see from the top view, you can look at only one. Another, the object which is placed under that object, if you are unable to see even a little part of that, then those two things are congruent. For example, if you place 5 rupee coins one upon another, like that 3, 4 or 5, how many coins you place? But if you look it from the top upside, you cannot see the down how many coins are there. Only one coin you are able to see. One coin only visible. So that kind of objects or that kind of figures are called congruent figures. Same size and same shape. For example, your 7th class mathematics textbooks. If you collect all the students of the classmates, all mathematics textbooks, if you place one upon another, if you see it from upside, you can see only one textbook. Why? All the other textbooks are placed under one under another. Like that 3, 4 books, if you place one upon another, if you see from upside, you can see only one book. The books underneath you cannot see. So that all mathematics textbooks of same class are of equal size and shape. All are in rectangular shape and all are of same size. That is why you cannot see. For suppose if you compare mathematics textbook with another subject textbook, suppose English or suppose science or social studies, whatever, both you see mathematics textbook and English textbook, suppose you compare, the shape is same, rectangle shape only, but the size may be different. The size may be different. Those two are called similar. Those two are called similar, but not congruent. Congruent means equal size and equal shape. Same size and same shape. Then only congruent. Hope you all understood the congruence meaning. Okay. Let us discuss in triangles now. Congruency of triangles. See, congruency of triangles. If all parts of one triangle are equal to the corresponding parts of other triangle, the two triangles are congruent. For example, you see triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. There are two triangles. In this, the all parts. What parts of the triangle will have? Three sides and three angles and three vertices. Okay, all the three sides and three angles and all the three vertices. Now see the sides first. AB, right? BC and CAR AC. These are the three sides of triangle ABC. And angle A, angle B, angle C. Now we are comparing this triangle with this triangle XYZ. In the XYZ triangle, XY one side, YZ second side, XZ is the third side. See now comparison. First we are comparing the sides. If AB is equal to the corresponding side, here what? XY. So in this triangle AB side, in this triangle XY side. If in triangle ABC and in triangle ABC and XYZ, if AB side is equal to XY side, so these are the corresponding sides, this side and this side, if they are equal, and next another side BC side, BC corresponding to this is what? YZ, and other side AC corresponding side is what? XZ. These three sides and also the angles and angle A should be equal to angle X and angle B should be equal to angle Y. Now angle C should be equal to angle Z. That means all the corresponding sides, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side and this side, all the three corresponding sides of the two triangles and all the three angles, this angle, see one angle here angle B, angle Y, angle C and angle Z. If they are equal, then we can say, then we say what? These two triangles are congruent to each other. The two triangles are congruent to each other. Here we use the symbol. This is the symbol of congruency. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. Like that. Means the two triangles are congruent when the corresponding parts, all the corresponding parts of the two triangles are equal, then we can say the two triangles are congruent. What are the corresponding sides? All the corresponding sides and corresponding angles. If they are equal in the two triangles, the two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. Now we know that triangles are different types: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scale triangle. These are the three different types of triangles based on the sides: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scale triangle. If all the three sides of the triangle are equal, that are called equilateral triangle. If any two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. If all the three sides are different from each other, that is called scale triangle. Those three are classified based on the measures of the sides. Based on the measures of the angles also, triangles are classified. If one of the angle is equal to 90 degrees, that is called right angle triangle. If one of the angle is greater than 90 degrees, that is called obtuse angle triangle. If all the three angles are less than 90 degrees, that is called acute angle triangle. So mainly triangles are classified into 6 types Based on the sides, 3 types. Based on the angles, also 3 types. Based on the sides measure, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Based on the measures of the angles, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle. So like that, triangles are classified. Now to check the congruency of the triangles also, we have some criterions of congruency. So what are the criterions of congruency for triangles? There are different criterions. One is side, side, side. That means when you are comparing the two triangles, the corresponding sides of one triangle, another triangle, if all three sides are like this, here we compared the three sides. So AB corresponding to XY, BC corresponding to YZ, and AC corresponding to XZ. If all the three sides are equal, that triangles are congruent to each other under the rule of congruency criterion SSS, side, side, side congruency rule. Another rule also there, SAS. SAS means side, angle, side. Here angle is included by the two sides. Like this, suppose this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and the angle included by the two sides is this, the angle included by the two sides is this. That means side, angle, side. So that is called side, angle, side. SAS congruency rule. Then ASA also there. ASA, two angles and side is included by the two angles. If you compare this, suppose now these two angles are equal. Suppose angle A is equal to angle X, angle B is equal to angle Y, and the side included by the two angles here AB and here XY. If suppose like that, the two triangles are congruent under the rule ASA. And one more RHS also there, right angle, hypotenuse and side. If you are comparing the two right angle triangles, right angle, that means the all right angles are similar. Why? Because the angle is 90 degrees only. Angle must be equal. Then right angle, hypotenuse, the side which is opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse, and the side. So right angle and hypotenuse and one more side, if they are equal, then the two triangles are congruent to each other under the rule of RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side. There are 4 congruency rules for you in class 7, right? So SSS, SAS, ASA, RHS. These are the 4 different types of congruency criterions. Let us discuss the congruency criterions now. See, criterions for congruency of triangles. The first one, side, side, side. SSS in short form. If 3 sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding 3 sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are called congruent to each other. So let us take two triangles ABC and PQR. If the corresponding sides are equal, then these two triangles are congruent to each other. So now in triangle ABC, AB side, in triangle PQR, PQ side. If these two are equal, if in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, if the corresponding sides AB is equal to PQ, next another side BC is equal to QR, BC is equal to QR, and another third side AC is equal to PR, AC is equal to PR. If it is possible, if this side is equal to this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, all the 3 corresponding sides of the two triangles are equal, then we can say these two triangles are congruent to each other under the rule of side, side, side criterion. So, if AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR, then we can say, we say triangle ABC is congruent. This is the symbol of congruency. Is congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by another rule, yes criterion. Like this. That means what What is the congruency rule of criterion for these two triangles here? Yes, we used. What is that? If the three sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. In this triangle ABC and triangle PQR, the corresponding parts AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR, then only these two triangles are congruent to each other under the rule SSS criterion. Hope you all understood. Let us see the next criterion of congruency. See the next one, side angle side, SAS. If two sides and angle included between the two sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides and the included angle of the another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. That means when you are comparing the two triangles, in that the angle included by the two sides of one triangle, angle included by the two sides of another triangle, if both are congruent, then the two triangles are congruent to each other under the rule of SAS, side angle side. Here you see A is in between the two sides. That means angle should be in between the two sides. That angle is called included by these two sides. Now let us see triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, you can see in this triangle ABC, AB is one side and AC is another side. These two sides, between these two sides, angle A is there. That means this angle included by these two sides. Corresponding to other triangle, you see the corresponding side of AB is here, the corresponding side of AC is this XZ. Now the angle included by this AB and AC is what? Angle A. Angle included by XY and XZ is what? Angle X. That means if this is equal to AB is equal to XY and AC is equal to XZ, the angle included by AB AC is angle A, angle included by XY and XZ is angle X. If all are same, then these two triangles are congruent under the rule of SAS. Let's check. If AB in triangle ABC, AB is corresponding to in triangle XYZ, XY, right? Now angle, which angle is included by the two sides? Angle A. Angle A is equal to angle X. Here the angle is included by AB and AC. Here the angle is included by XY and XZ. So first side we wrote, the next other side AC corresponding to XZ, like that. These are the two sides and these are the angles included by the two sides. So then if this happens, then triangle ABC is congruent. This is the symbol of congruency. I already told you. Symbol of congruency. Like this is equal to, and upon that you have to write the similarity symbol. This is a symbol of congruency. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ by which rule? SAS. By SAS criterion. Very easy now. Congruency of criterion. Simple. The angle included by the two sides of one triangle and the corresponding two sides and angle, if are same, the two triangles are congruent to each other under the rule side angle side criterion. Hope you all understood the second rule. Let us move on to the third one. See the next one, third, angle side angle. If two angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles and the included side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Here side is included by the two angles. Compared to the previous one, second one what we did? Side angle side. Their angle is included by the two sides. Here side is included by the two angles. Now comparing to these two triangles ABC and PQR, let us compare the corresponding parts. See the angle B. The corresponding angle in this triangle, angle Q. Now angle C, this. Here angle R, the corresponding angle. And including these two sides, one side, the angles are here, the side is included by the two angles. These are the two angles, angle P and angle C. In between the side is there BC. by the rule ASA, angle side angle. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if the angle in this angle B is equal to angle in this angle Q, these are the corresponding angles, and the side BC is equal to side QR, corresponding sides, and another angle, angle Q, sorry, here angle C in this triangle, here angle R, see here, these two angles and these two angles, and in the side included by the two angles, side included by the two angles, if they are equal, we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So we can say, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by ASA criterion. Understood all of you? Very, very easy. If the side is included by the two angles, the two corresponding angles, this angle and this angle corresponding to each other, this angle and this angle corresponding to each other, this side and this side corresponding to each other, then these two triangles are congruent to each other by the rule ASA. Hope you all understood the three rules of the criterions of triangle. Next we go for RHS, fourth one. See the fourth rule, right angle hypotenuse, RHS. See, if hypotenuse and one side of the right angle triangle are equal to the corresponding hypotenuse and side of the other right angle triangle, then the two triangles are congruent to each other. Let us compare these two right angle triangles, triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. See, ABC triangle here, AB and BC both are perpendicular to each other. This is what the right angle symbol. That means the angle between AB and AC here it is how much? 90 degrees. That means 90 degrees angle. Both are perpendicular. AB and BC. These two lines are perpendicular. Then this is called right angle. The side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse. Okay. The side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse. Similarly, in the triangle XYZ also, here XY and YZ are perpendicular. Here it is 90 degrees. So it is right angle. The side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. In this triangle, hypotenuse is AC. In this triangle, hypotenuse is XZ. On the other side, if this side and this side, a right angle has two sides, this side and this side. Here this side and this side. Either these two sides hypotenuse, otherwise these two sides and hypotenuse. If they are equal, then these two triangles are congruent to each other. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, obviously the two right angles will be equal. Then the hypotenuse, right angles. So angle B here, if angle B is equal to angle Y, obviously compulsory they will be equal. All right angles are equal only. Then the hypotenuse, right angle is opposite side. Hypotenuse is what? AC in this. Here it is what? XZ. Okay. Other sides, either this side corresponding to this, these are equal, or these are equal. Any one of this. Okay. What? AB is equal to XY, or you can say BC is equal to YZ. Any one of this. Okay. These two should be must. This should be compulsory. Why? Because these right angles are obviously equal. Then hypotenuse should be equal, and the remaining other two sides, any one of them, either AB is equal to XY or BC is equal to YZ. Then these two triangles are congruent to each other. Then we say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ by RHS rule of criterion. Right? So this is our fourth criterion. In this chapter, congruency of criterion triangle. Here, what's the criterions we have? Four criterions: SSS, ASA, SAS, RHS. These are the 4 criteria for congruency of triangles. If you understand these 4 rules, the complete chapter is based on this only. Hope you all understood these 4 rules of congruency of triangles. Let us discuss the exercise problems in the coming up classes. All of you understood? Thank you very much. See you in the next class.